Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and everything in between. Welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today, we're going to be talking about this. This is my new and improved EDC pouch. This is a Art Company Sidewinder Hank case. Got a Hank in the middle and a set of tools. So let's go through everything real quick. So, sort of the main draw of this particular thing is that you can put a Hank in the middle of it. This particular Hank is from Mighty Hanks, or I'm sorry, from Awesome Hanks on Etsy. Kind of a Dark Souls bonfire style print. Very cool. And a little titanium bead. So put that over here. So on this side, we have the Cobra Tech out the front utility knife. Still awesome. This is the Olight i3T2 EOS. Pretty good flashlight. This is the, this is the titanium slim pick from County Com. It's a toothpick capsule made out of titanium. But inside, I have D1 pen refills. It's the perfect size to hold a few D1 refills. Perfect. And so for the refills to go into, I have two pens. First one is the Fisher Space Pen Bullet with the gold clip. And the second one is the Kaweco, or Kaweco, Lilliput ballpoint that uses D1 refills. This pen is awesome. It's my new favorite. I use it every day. This is my new EDC pen, for sure. I love that thing. I just carry this as a spare. So main pen, spare, and then spare refills. It's a little overkill, but this is tiny enough that I can just put it next to the flashlight, And then this is the TPT slide, not the easy switch that they have now, but this is the actually the best damn EDC one that I kind of modified. There you go, you can see that. Pretty cool. I lost the clip. I take the clips on and off of all my stuff because I go through periods of time where I have the clips on and clips off. And so this is just a DLC black one that I had laying around. It's kind of cool having a two-tone because the blade is black. So it kind of works. So why I have two knives, this is for me, this is for other people. This is for me, this is for other people. They won't hurt themselves, they would hurt themselves. And finally, I typically carry a Zorro 912 armor either brass or titanium as my main lighter, but this is a backup lighter. This is a Bic Mini in a lighter sleeve that I've had for a while. That's just a gorgeous piece of equipment. Anyway, so that is my updated, slimmed down EDC. I used to carry all kinds of crap every day, and I never used half of it. I can safely say that every item out of all of these gets used at least once a week, if not more, if not every day. This pen every day, flashlight just about every day, utility knife, either one, about every day. This is a backup, this is a backup, this is a backup, backup, refills. So the Hank, I don't really use much, but it's there if I need it. I just got this new phone, so I might be using this more often to clean off the screen and camera. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.